Hey, this is Hans with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today I've got one that I found locally, and wasn't one I expected to find where I did find it. This is by a company called JML from China, and it's vegetable flavor. It's a big cup. And yeah, I found it at a regular grocery store, not an Asian grocery. There's some noodle, or that's the garnish. Big old noodle block. And some powdery powder. And then here's the, what do you call it? The liquid sentiment. But it says to fill the line, doesn't it? Fill the line, fill the line, fill the line, which is right one moment. Technical time. We're having technical time. Right about there. Okay, so let's fill to line. That's pretty good. And it gets 3 minutes. Yeah, 3 minutes. You're supposed to cover it, but before I do that, it wants you to add in the liquidy liquid. But it's kind of, oh, it's doing okay. So we'll add a little bit of liquid to that. Give it a little swizzle. And then we should be okay. So these are my new little sake cups, and I've already found some problems with them. If you're looking at the review, you'll notice that they're maybe just a little too deep, and that bums the freaking crap out of me, because we got them spatial up in Canada, and yeah, so they're on clearance, of course, so no returning those. But yeah, so said you're supposed to put the lid on. It's really non sequitur. It'll be plenty hot. So our dog is so dumb. How dumb is he? When it's really, really hot and there's sun coming in the window, he will just sit there in front of the window and pant and pant and pant and pant. So it looks as though the camera well, hopefully this is gonna work, because the camera has overheated and shut off for a minute there. It's pretty warm in here. I don't know the exact temperature, but yeah, that really sucks. I'm gonna have to figure something out pretty quick. We're gonna have to turn on the AC. See all the sun coming in here? In the afternoon, this place heats up quick. Luckily, all we gotta do is set up the AC unit. That's no sweat. But yeah. Let's put this in the pot of wonder. Oh, my face, my valuable face. Looks like there's a decent amount of vegetables going on here. Let's make sure I can show you what you need to see. Yeah. There's some vegetables going on here. Let me give it a try. And Noodles hydrated nicely. So look at the broth. Some cabbage going on. Looks like some maybe corn. Yeah. I'm impressed. That's a lot of stuff going on in a cup. I mean, that's a lot of food for a cup, too. Let's set up the Wonder Machine. Here's the machine of magic and wonder. And the bowl of noodly goodness. Stable. Seem to be stable. And if anybody has an idea, probably by the time you've seen this, I'll have already figured something out, but I want to figure out an easy way to make this thing dead center other than like gluing this thing to it. Just go lay down, not in the sun, dude. Fool. Like, I don't know what to do. I'm so new at this. Dude, you're like 16. You're not new at this. You're just not too adept at the think. I think that'll work. Okay, so what the heck? Let's turn it on. We're gonna do a rotating garnishing. I'm going with some mung bean sprouts. Don't be so what? You're on the edge of your seat, surprised at the mung bean sprouts. There's some of those. I'm not gonna go too heavy on those. It's all vegetables, and I don't have a ton of them. So here's some coriander. And some spring onion. And what the heck? It's a vegetable one, so we're gonna add some. Ew. Some kind of probably not all that great anymore tofu puff, just for the sake of fact that it is a vegetable one. And I think that's about as far as we're gonna go on this. So now you can look and go, wow, you know, if I was over at your house, maybe I'd eat that. But, you know, I would be just like, yeah, you can eat it, yo, but maybe just avoid the tofu puff, because it's kind of dry at this point. This is an interesting thing. The last review that I did was the first time I like rotated it and had a really good look. And it's kind of nice to be able to see it from all the angles before I take shots. So, anyways, not a bad little bowl of vegetable flavored instant noodles. So, yeah. Alright, well, hey, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day. Have a good one. Bye.